Hello everyone, this is Akang Suman here. Now we are going to solve next question based on the acceleration analysis. In the question it is given that a particle is moving on a circular path having the radius of 5 meter. What is the radius is given of the circular path, that is 5 meter. An angular acceleration of the particle is 2.5 radian per second. That means what is given I am going to write here, that is radius which is given of the circular path, that is 5 meter. Okay, and the angular acceleration, that is alpha, is 2.5 radian per second is given, radian per second square. Okay, now particle is moving in the clockwise direction, okay, with an angular velocity of 1 radian per second. So I'm going to draw you the diagram so it would be easy to understand the question. This is a rough diagram. There is a particle which is moving in a circular path having the omega, that is 1 radian per second, 1 radian per second. And of course here is a angular acceleration alpha is also given, that is 2.5 radian per second square. Okay, now we have to calculate the radial acceleration, tangential acceleration, total acceleration, and the speed of the particle. The direction of the radial acceleration would be toward the center, we all know that, and the tangential acceleration would be in that direction because there is acceleration. Okay, and the direction of angular acceleration is along the omega, that means here that is tangential acceleration, and we have to calculate the total acceleration, that would be somewhere between them. Okay, first we have to calculate the radial acceleration. We all know that the formula of radial acceleration is either in the form of angular velocity or in the form of linear velocity. You can write the formula of radial acceleration. So AR is equal to V square upon R, or you can write it as R omega square. What is given in the question, you have to use that formula. So here angular velocity is given, so we will use the R omega square formula. So AR basically is equal to, radius is 5 meter and omega square is 1, that is 5 meter per second square, that is the radial acceleration. And we have to calculate the second, that is the tangential acceleration, and we all know that tangential acceleration formula, tangential acceleration denoted by AT is equal to R alpha. Okay, and alpha is given and R is given, so we can calculate tangential acceleration. R is basically 5 and tangential acceleration is 2.5, so that would be 12.5 meter per second square. Okay, and we have calculated the tangential acceleration and radial acceleration, so it would be easy to find out the total acceleration. So total acceleration you can find out, and that is equal to root of AR square plus AT square. Okay, and AR is we have calculated 5 square plus 12.5 square, so here we can calculate the total acceleration. Okay, now calculated using calculator, we'll get the answer, that is 13.46, that would be meter per second square. This is the total acceleration of the particle, and we have calculated radial acceleration, that is 5 meter per second square, and that is 12.5 meter per second square, and that is 13.46 meter per second square. And the speed of the particle we have to calculate. The speed is V, which is equal to R omega, and we know that R and omega both, so that is 5 meter per second square, 5 meter per second, sorry. So this would be the speed of the particle, and this would be the 5 meter per second. Now I hope you will understand how to calculate the acceleration, whether it is radial, tangential or total acceleration. You must have to know the direction of radial acceleration, tangential acceleration. Okay, and we have calculated the total acceleration also. In both the types of question I already covered, whether it is given the total acceleration and the theta is given, so you can calculate the radial acceleration and tangential acceleration. And the next types of question is like that, where omega, that means angular velocity, and the angular acceleration is given, and you have to find out the radial acceleration, tangential acceleration. Okay,